Are you over 40, over 50, and wondering if you'll ever be able to retire because life, caregiving, or different financial setbacks got in the way? You're not alone, and no, it is not too late, but the longer you wait, the harder it gets. So let's start changing that today. Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dion of Dee-Lightful Wealth Creation, and on this channel we focus on women over 40, over 50 who want to take back control of their finances with zero shame and 100% strategy. My story is that I have made plenty many mistakes along the way. I've paid off over $60,000 in debt, and I am on my journey to achieving full financial stability, independence, and ultimately financial freedom. And I'd love for you to join that journey with me. If you ever thought, can I retire if I start now? Starting now meaning at this age, in our 40s and our 50s, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through realistic, doable steps to rebuild your retirement plan, even if you're starting at 45, 50, or beyond, because it's not too late. It's just time to get really intentional. So let's get real. You're not too late. It's easy to feel like the train has left the station and left without you. But here's what most people won't tell you. The average 50-year-old woman has less than $50,000 saved. Many of us pause our careers for caregiving, kids, or there were other curveballs that happened, like maybe you've lost a job, maybe you went back to school to be able to advance your skills that incurred more debt, such as student loans. Maybe there were medical illnesses, maybe there was a divorce, different setbacks that have affected us financially, and retirement planning it just fell off the radar. Starting now is more powerful than doing nothing. So with smart, consistent action, you still have time to build something strong. So first you need to know your retirement number, and this needs to be personal to you. Don't follow what everybody else is doing. So let's say you want $2,000 a month to live on in retirement. This is just an example. That's about $24,000 for the year. So to make that happen, you might need $400,000 to $500,000 saved, depending on your Social Security and your lifestyle. Now, before you shut down and click off this video, remember, you won't have to save all of this yourself. Compound interest will help you, and you can work part-time later to stretch your savings. And living debt-free also reduces how much you will actually need. So you don't need the whole mountain today, you just need to start climbing. Step 2, automate investing. Automate $50 to $100 a week in a retirement account. So let's break this down. $50 a week equals $200 a month. So over 15 years with an 8% annual return, that's like $65,000 to $75,000. So let's say you were doing $100 a week. That's over $120,000 in 15 years at 8% annual return. So you can open up a Roth IRA with, say, Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, or any brokerage firm of your choice. And if you have no job, use a traditional IRA or a regular brokerage account. If you have a job, check into your 401k at work, especially if they have matching, and take the matching. That is free money. This isn't about being perfect. This is about being consistent. I recently did a video on investing $50 a week and how that can turn into tens and thousands of dollars, and I will attach that video here. If this video is helping you so far, let me know in the comments. What is your version of retirement? Is it a garden? Is it a quiet cabin? Is it time with grandkids? Is it relocating? I read every one of the comments, and your story, it just might inspire someone else. And remember, your retirement plan is your personal plan, not what everyone else is doing. Let's continue. Step 3, eliminate high interest debt like your future depends on it, because it does. Every dollar going to interest in a debt is a dollar that you're not building for your future. Start by listing your debts, especially anything that is over 7 to 8%, which most credit cards, most consumer debt is way more than 7 or 8% interest. So use either the debt snowball method, which is paying off the debt with the smallest balance first, or the avalanche method, which is paying off the debt with the highest interest first, and stay committed. Every balance that you knock out, that equals more freedom and more money to invest. Step 4, Find and plug the silent leaks in your budget. You could be losing $200 or more each month in small ways, and you don't even realize it, such as streaming subscriptions, late fees, takeout, DoorDash, random runs to Target, Walmart, and also this frequent Amazon shopping so that you can get that nice little gift for yourself on your porch. Those things could be stealing $200 or more per month. I recently had a subscriber share with me that they actually went through their budget, double checking their credit card statements, and they didn't realize they were paying for a Peacock subscription twice and they weren't even using it. They reviewed their different expenses, eliminated, and they were able to now reduce their expenses by $300 a month. You know what that person can do with that $300 per month? They're using it to reduce their debt, to knock out debt. And once they're finished with that, they will start investing even more money. Ask yourself, what can I pause, cancel, or simplify for the next 6 months to fund my future? Every $50 you stop leaking out equals $50 you can start investing. Step 5, make retirement personal. It's your vision. I kind of mentioned this earlier. Retirement doesn't have to mean cruises and golf courses. It can mean a cozy paid off home, more time for having quiet mornings in your garden, part-time work doing something that you actually love, freedom from pressure. Retirement should reflect your values, not someone else's lifestyle. It's not keeping up with the Joneses. It's about catching your breath. Step 6, build passive income streams that support you later. So the goal is income that keeps flowing in even when you slow down. So you can start small now, such as investing in dividend paying stocks like VTI, that is the Vanguard's total stock market exchange traded fund. You can sell digital products or create content like how I'm doing, start a business. You can freelance now and consult later with all your life experience that you can share that knowledge with others and be monetized for it. And you can rent out a room in your home, house hack, or figure out a way to reduce your housing costs, especially if your home is not paid off in retirement. Every stream you create equals less stress in retirement. So if you're starting fresh and you want more videos like this on saving, investing, building wealth after 40, after 50, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and please share this with other fabulous women like yourself who need it. I'd love for you to be a part of the Delightful Wealth community. So the best time for preparing for retirement was yesterday, but the next best time is today. So you might feel behind, but you are also wiser, you're stronger, and you're more capable than ever before because you have learned from your mistakes. Retirement today isn't about luxury, it's about peace, options, and dignity. And if you start now, even with just $50 a week, your future self will have something solid to stand on. You don't need perfection. You just need a plan. You need intention, and you need consistency. You don't need to hustle harder. You need to plant seeds and water them every week. You've got this. I've got you. It is not too late. You're just getting started, and I'm here with you. Remember, I am walking this journey as well. Until next time, take care.